You're watching a Love Jack video, where I show you how to create, share, and connect through art. This is Make Art to Mail. With just a few supplies and some time to sit and connect, I will show you how to create a handmade card that is sure to put a smile on someone's face. We believe art has the power to make you happy. So let's make some today and mail some happiness to a friend. This month's creative challenge is rainbows. And this card was inspired solely by this beautiful flower-shaped ink pad. I must have picked it up and put it back down a million times in every craft store I saw it in. Doesn't it just make you happy? But I felt, do I really need that? I already have ink pads at home. Finally, I just couldn't take it anymore. I needed it. So I bought it, and I couldn't be happier. Today, we're going to make a rainbow thank you card that will make you as happy as this ink pad makes me. You will need this ink pad, or one similar to it that has the colors of the rainbow, cardstock, an envelope, and a stamp. We recommend using a word stamp, but you can really use anything. You will also need wipes and some scrap paper. This card was completely inspired by this color box pedal point ink pad. And now I'll show you how I'm going to use it to make an awesome rainbow thank you card. First, I want to show you one of my tricks for this. I don't know if you knew this, but each ink pad comes out. It has a little holder there so you can put it back in and put it out. This is helpful when you're trying to ink up a stamp. Now look, I've used this stamp so many times. This stamp says thanks, and I got it at Paper Source. I've had it for years, so you could tell it's really inked up. That's where the baby wipes are going to be handy because I really want each color to be very vivid. I'll start by trying to clean off the ink a little bit there. Now, basically we're gonna write the word thanks going down the line in rainbow order. So I'm gonna take each ink pad out so that it doesn't get multiple colors on it at once. I'm starting with red. Here's a tip I have. Sometimes I like to fold the baby wipe over and then just dab it in there because when you just wipe it off, see how there's still red parts there? I really want it all to be clear. And then you could stamp it up on the paper just a couple more times. My next color is orange. It's almost like I'm putting the ink on the stamp versus the stamp on the ink. My other tip here is to make it look a little bit cooler. I'm gonna put this second stamp in between the two words. So thanks will go here. It's often hard for me to make a completely straight line, so sometimes I like to purposely make one a little wobbly so it doesn't look like it's supposed to be exactly perfectly straight. I think it adds to the fun of it anyway. Now, Roy G B I V. I am going to use the light green. For my G, I'm not gonna do two greens like this palette has, although that would be fun, but I don't think I'll have room to do it all, so I'm gonna skip the dark green. And again, stagger this one. I'm being sure to ink between every stamp because I want it to be vivid. Voila! So fun, right? Gotta love a rainbow. So to decorate this envelope, you'll need washi tape in the colors of the rainbow. I decided to take advantage of my washi tape stash. Of course, when I went through, I couldn't really find any indigo that I liked, so I just skipped that one. This is all about using your supplies. So we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. And I'm basically just going to create a stripe across the front of the envelope and the back. Okay, I make a mess all the time, so this is just my public service announcement. If you want the white to be white, make sure your surface is clean and your hands are clean. Whoopsies. This is a great way to use your washi tape because if you're like me, you love washi tape and you can't help but buy it, but then sometimes you don't use it all. I also really like washi tape because it's easy to reposition. Now this is where I would love a dark blue, but I don't have one, so I'm improvising and just going without it. It's fine. And I really like this purple because it also has rainbows in it. Now what I'll probably do is get a little white sticker and put it in the middle to put the address on there, just so you could really read it and it make sure it gets there in the mail. But come on, that's so much fun. Oh, so I simply just ran my scissors across to make a cut. Love these scissors. No, that's a fun combo. This video is dedicated to Rachel Hollis. In her words, she built a multi-million-dollar company with a high school diploma and a Google search bar. How good is that line? I discovered her about 6 months ago and she has been inspiring me ever since. She just came out with her new book, Girl Wash Your Face, but it was her podcast Deus that got me hooked. Her energy is contagious and her belief in her tribe is sincere. She also has a YouTube channel. I'm going to link one of my favorite videos below. Her take on marriage is so in line with mine, and her relationship with Dave is inspiring. I've had Chad either listen or watch everything they've put out together. If you need a little motivation in your life, in the form of a friendly kick in the butt, Rach is your girl. She believes you can achieve your goals if you put in the work to make it happen. And so do I. Thanks, Rach, for giving me the pep talk to start this YouTube channel. And thank you for watching. I truly love creating, sharing, and connecting with you. So thank you for making this YouTube channel possible. Don't forget to tell your friends about it. All right, guys, have a fantastic week.